chin is back, y'all. Remember I had cut my hair because it was damaged? Your girl could finally put her hair up in a ponytail. I was missing my ponytails so much, and now that I finally could do it, my makeup, I feel, looks so much more snatched. It's just something about wearing a ponytail and pushing your hair back that I feel like it just brings the makeup out more. It just brings a really nice shape to your face, especially when you're contouring. Like you guys see, my contour is on 100 right now. So let me tell you guys about this quick ponytail. It's very inexpensive. It's so simple. This whole entire look would take you under 10 minutes. So I'm gonna give you guys the deets before we get into the video. The brand is by Outre. It's called Quick Pony, and the style is called Nikka. Got the color number 1. I really wanted something that's wavy. I did brush it out a little bit more. If you want it more fuller, you can always use a brush like a paddle brush and just play with it. Brush out the curls to your liking. This was good enough for me. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase this ponytail from down below in the description box. It's really quick, really simple, and really easy. You know, if you don't want to do your hair, or you know, you're pressed for time, and whatever the case may be, get you a ponytail. It looks a little bit more on the natural side. That's why I really like this, and it is just lit, girlfriend. Listen, and it's secured in my head, so it's not going to go anywhere. I could move, I could dance, I could do anything. I mean, just be careful. Just be careful, because it is secured, but it ain't that secured, you know? So just be careful. I have nothing else to say about this hair. I am in love with it. I think I'm gonna rock this for a little while. Don't forget to subscribe down below and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye. So I'm just starting off by brushing my hair back because you want it to be nice and neat and tidy, and you don't want any hairs out of place. And then I'm gonna go in with this Shine and Jam conditioning gel. It is the extra hold. I just prefer this one, but I think they have like medium, soft hold. It's just all about preference. I do prefer the extra hold, and I'm just running that all throughout the hair just to lay it down. Now I'm just taking a soft brush. I don't like really hard brushes when it comes to slicking the hair back. I do prefer like a medium to soft brush. So that's just what I'm doing. And I'm just using a scrunchie to get my hair up in one. Now this particular ponytail do come with a drawstring. That's what's really going to secure the ponytail, make sure it does not move, and it also comes with a comb, and that's what's going to help to secure and hold the hair down as well. Now just drawing the string really tight on my head just so it's secured but not too uncomfortable, and then I'm just wrapping it around the ponytail. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the hair from the ponytail, and I'm just wrapping that around as well, just so we can hide the bump on the top part. I don't know if you guys could tell. And if you are wearing makeup, this is the time now to just go over the contoured areas just to make sure everything is blended. You can add baby hairs to this look if that's what you like. I mean, I love baby hairs, but to be quite honest, I have a 5 head and I just don't feel like it looks good. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again next time. Slay!